So you're in lockdown 2.0, raining outside. What do? Grab yourself a bottle of whiskey. So guys, welcome to another video. When I meant grab a bottle of whiskey, obviously, yeah, you can drink it if you want, but what comes to my mind is photographing it. Now, I'm going to do something that's way out of my comfort zone because it is we're in lockdown here in the UK and it's raining outside, so I can't actually get outside to go shoot anything or go anywhere. So I decided to do some kind of product shooting today on this whiskey bottle. I had to do a bit of research into kind of how to shoot a bottle because you get a lot of reflections and stuff with that through lights. Now this is my setup. Now what you're about to see is very, very sketchy, like so sketchy it's unbelievable. But do you know what? At the end of the day, it actually did work. I'll show you the photos later. So here's my setup. I took a photo of it. I was going to film myself doing the shoot, but I kind of needed the camera and I needed my phone as well because I was using the Sony app as like a second screen to see what I was doing. But yeah, I had other like bits and bobs. Like what you saw there was just a one light setup. But I actually had a torch in this, actually this torch here, and I rolled up a piece of card to slide it on, and it actually worked as a little snoot, so it gave like a directional kind of light, so I was able to light up the label itself on that. Other bits and bobs, I got this kind of metal, do a bit of Rolf Harrison. I got this here sheet of metal. I was going to go for like a rustic kind of look or whatever. It'll come in handy throughout the years, I'm sure. And also, anybody that has a iMac will know what this is. It's just your dust cover that goes over your iMac, but I was using it also as a diffuser for this torch because it was very harsh light, the LED, which then diffused it really nicely. Oh, chuck that over there, chuck that over there, chuck that over there. There we go. So yeah, they were the little props I was using along with my big diffuser, that 5-in-1. If you don't have one of them, pick them up from eBay. They're like £5 or something like that. They're very inexpensive and they are brilliant to have. So yeah, I was using one of them, and also the clamps. These are pretty good. If you don't have any of them, get some. I got them out of B&Q. They're really stiff, really good. Clamp anything. But anyway, yeah, that's what I used. I took the photos. I'm going to show you the photos now. There was a long. I took like two separate kind of options. One with a chessboard, one without a chessboard, and I kind of created about 7 images. Now a lot of them do look alike probably to other people, but there is little subtle differences in each photo. So I'm going to run them now and let you have a look at them. So off you go. So guys, out of those images, I do have to say my favorite one is the one that's on the chessboard. It's got that kind of rustic feel, and it's got like the smoke coming from the corner. I'll put it up here. And do you know what? For the setup, the setup that I had, the sketchiness of it, you know, these images came out brilliant. as far as I'm concerned, they came out really well. And here is the little process I did. It was only a couple of masking. I used this here light as well to light up the back of the bottle, so you could see like the drink in it, which is not actually drink. It's actually fake whiskey using tea. You know, so all I did with that was I just got my coffee pot, a tea bag, hot water, stirred it around a bit until like I got like a dark enough color for this type of whiskey, and then added some more water into it to cool it down a bit quicker and kind of dilute the color a little bit to try and match it. Because if I emptied out this bottle now, you would see right through it. You know, it wouldn't look realistic because, you know, you gotta fill it up. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, the sketchiness of this here and the images, you know, they came out, you know, top quality. I took 2 images. One was just one shot off the bottle like that, and that's actually what I think came out the best image altogether. And the ones that I kind of stacked using the torch and everything like that came out alright, but I actually prefer just the one single shot I took of the bottle, and did a little bit of dodging and burning, and, you know, a little bit of colorizing just to give it a bit of a feel. It worked out a lot better than what I thought. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, everything. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know what you would change, or if you ever have a go yourself. You know, you can have a go after seeing my sketchiness of a setup. I'm sure anybody can do this. Like, I had cardboard boxes and everything and whatnot, so, you know, I'm quite sure if I was in a big, you know, grand studio that had all the bells and whistles, yeah, maybe, yeah, you could do a lot better. But for what that was, it turned out absolutely amazing, I think. So guys, like I said, comment, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So until then, good luck. Sorry guys, before I forget, head on over to a YouTuber called PC3 Photos, where you can watch a bunch of lads, photographers, great bunch, and myself talking about everything and anything. So yeah, head on over there. Episode 1 came out just Friday. Episode 2 is coming out this Friday, so keep an eye out for that as well. And yeah, show the love. Head on over there, follow, like, share, subscribe, everything. So yeah, see you then.